Hello, welcome back to Khaki Colored Kidz cooking segment. Today we visited the country of Iraq. Since Iraq created the first museum, today we went to the Children's Museum. So to keep on with the Iraq spirit, today we are making Tash-reeb. Which is a soup with beef that we cut into small pieces, tomatoes, chicken broth, beef broth, and it's a soup. So we have to cut these into small biteable pieces. So I really enjoyed the Children's Museum today. When I was playing with the cars, I liked there was this one car, it was pink and blue, it was like cotton candy, and it was super cool. It was a super cool car. When we went to the fire station and we acted like there was a fire, that was fun because I got to slide down the fireman's pole and I got to drive the truck. Not actually drive, but drive. And we put out a fire. And it was a super cool adventure. Okay, now we need garlic for a little bit of taste. And Iraq diets consist of stuff that they can find basically whenever. So stuff you can grow like wheat, bread, barley, fish, even though that it's kind of rare, but they like milk, cheese, not really fat foods, stuff that's kind of healthy for you. The Iraq Museum has a whole bunch of very rare items, even from the Mesopotamia. I think it's starting to get to me. I think cutting onions are easy. Oh, a tip for when you're cutting onions and you don't want to like hurt your eyes. You want to get a wet paper towel or cloth next to you because the toxins in the onion squirt when you cut it, and they go to the nearest water source, which when you're cutting an onion, it's your eyes because of your tears. So if you have a towel near, it will go there instead of in your eyes. Ooh. You want to cut these into kind of small pieces, just so you don't have a big piece of onion just in your mouth. Now, we're gonna throw away our scraps. The onions are tough. Ooh. Try to fight it fights back. From there, we will take this bowl and we would fry it in a pan with some oil. You would season it, and you would, when the beef just got brown, we would make a stock out of chicken stock, beef stock, and you would season it. Now, I would recommend you to try this recipe because it is a super good recipe and it tastes very good. Now, I'm gonna go finish this dish and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Bye.